Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, I will solve a limit problem. Limit as x approaches to minus infinity, square root of 5 minus x minus square root of 1 minus x. Okay. Let's start by checking whether the direct substitution works here. As x approaches to as x approaches to minus infinity, square root of 5 minus x approaches plus infinity, and as x approaches minus infinity, square root of 1 minus x also approaches to plus infinity. Then this means that limit as x approaches minus infinity, square root of 5 minus x minus square root of 1 minus x equals infinity minus infinity. And so infinity minus infinity as is an indeterminate form. So direct substitution here gives us an indeterminate form. When we have a square root multiplying by the conjugate often removes this indeterminate form. And here we use the identity for the difference of squares. We know that a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. And if we use this identity, when we have square root of a minus square root of b, in order to remove these square roots, we can multiply this one by its conjugate, and its conjugate is square root of a plus square root of b, and this will be equal to square root of a minus square root of b, and this will be equal to a minus b. In this problem here, we have square root of 5 minus x, and you can think of this as a and you can think of this as b, and its conjugate is square root of 5 minus x plus square root of 1 minus x, and we divide by its conjugate also 5 minus x plus square root of 1 minus x, and this is equal to limit as x approaches minus infinity, square root of 5 minus x minus square root of 1 minus x multiplied by its conjugate will be equal to square root of 5 minus x squared minus square root of 1 minus x squared divided by square root of 5 minus x plus square root of 1 minus x. And this will be equal to limit as x approaches to minus infinity, 5 minus x minus 1 minus x divided by square root of 5 minus x plus this will be x square root of 1 minus x, and this is equal to minus 1 plus x. Those x's cancel each other, and we get 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the numerator here becomes 4. Now, we have here 4 divided 5 by square root of 5 minus x plus square root of 1 minus x. Here, square root of 5 minus x is infinite, and this one also infinite. This means that the denominator here grows without bound as x approaches to minus infinity. Then this will be equal to 0. In this problem, we see that limit as x approaches to minus infinity, square root of 5 minus x minus square root of 1 minus x. Even though each square root path here goes to infinity, their difference can still approach a number, and here we have limit 0. Okay, now in the next video I will solve this problem. Limit as x approaches to infinity, square root of x squared plus 3x minus x. See you in the next video.